good morning. Is it morning? It is. It's like 9:30. Welcome to the first day of the vlog. I don't know how many days you're going to get, but welcome. I'm hanging out with one of my nieces today, and we have a long list of errands. Not really errands, but like fun things that we want to do. Oh, so I'll take you along with me, which is basically what I was going to say. First stop, Sephora lip mask. And then we'll continue on. I bought a cool product from Ulta for pickup. Just fun things. So let's spend the day, a couple days together. Stop number one, Sephora. If you look really, really close, you can see the Sephora store inside the Kohl's right there. We're looking for the Laneige, I think that's how you say it, brand lip masks. I looked online to double check they had the one that we wanted in store. Laneige. And you wanted the vanilla. Let's roll. I have the original. I think it says berry. Yeah, this is the one that I have that I really like. I use it every night. This is also in my Sephora cart. I asked for recommendations. Everyone said it was incredible, but it is out of stock at this store. We've made it inside Marshall's. I am filming a video for y'all. It's probably already live by the time that you're watching this, so I will link it down below for you. I found a matching set in my size. Do you know how rare that is to find that inside like a Marshall's or a TJ Maxx? Let me show you. How cute is this? It's a little bit elevated, like a gauzy material with the knotted front. It's like 30 bucks for the pants and the shirt. Pants have pockets, cropped leg. Is it pajama or is it elevated? Because I kind of think it's a little bit elevated. Next on the agenda is, are we going to World Market? World Market. I did buy two things from Marshall's. So like I just told you in the fitting room, the video is linked down below. I am very happy, very impressed. I don't really have that great of luck with Marshall's, TJ Maxx. Ross is a different story. I usually have pretty good luck with Ross. But to find like such cute things, I'm so excited about. I also shared quite a few accessories in that video that are really fun too. Like cute things that I really haven't seen a lot of places. So that was a good one. That was a good video. All right, let's go into World Market. They just have cool stuff and we're looking for cool things because we're cool people. She gave me a thumbs up. Okay, let's go. No luck at World Market. So now let me run in and pick up my Ulta item and then we'll get in the car and we'll talk about it.
Hello, you have a pickup? What's the name?
Taren. That air is blasting. All right, so this is what I picked up. It is the Tanologist Instaglow Illuminating Body Bronzer. I saw a TikTok. Chances are I cannot find that TikTok to show you, but basically it's not a self-tanner, it's just a bronzer and it washes off. And I saw it was this woman, her boyfriend had something going on and he needed to be a little bit tan. So she let him use this, rub it all over your body and you're instantly tan. And then when you take a shower, it washes off. So I thought these are perfect for days when I want to do like pictures or try on swimsuits or something, but I don't want to put on a full fake tan. So I got this. It was, I think it's $17.99, either $14.99 or $17.99, but I had so many Ulta points that I paid 54 cents for it. So I'm excited about that. I am doing swimsuits tomorrow. So I think we'll try this together in the morning. Lunch stop is Raising Cane's. It's kind of far from where we live. So anytime we're out this way, we're grabbing it. Raising Cane sandwich with an extra side of cane sauce. We got the exact same thing. This is where it's at. If you've never been to Cane's, you're honestly missing out. Next stop is HomeGoods. I didn't even tell y'all. My nieces are redoing their bedrooms. So we're just shopping for fun goodies. So that's why we're hitting up all these places. Also, it's kind of down this way where we are. A little bit further from where I live. So while we're down here, let's go to HomeGoods. And look at these. The lemon and the strawberry. How cute is that? I love this king set. Do we think that Brian would like it? No. But how beautiful. It is cotton, so is it gonna be warm? We have those cooling sheets from Brooklinen we've used for years that we really like. 50 bucks. That's not a bad price. What I really want is strawberry, but they only have them in twin XL. And they have watermelon, but it's queen. Like, come on now. I want this, but in the king. Oh, I'm gonna get him, y'all. We'll wash him and put him on tonight and see if he notices. We're totally not here for me. However, the sheet set is down there. And then look at these cute, my niece calls them coquette. We've been looking for like a linen looking, like big pillow, just a decorative for the bed. So I think I'm gonna get these. How cool is this? It's like a little horse. Could be for the end of my bed. Oh, it's got a tail. Okay, maybe not. There's even like a little tail on the end. That's cool though. Let's put these in the washing machine. I ran home real quick so Miss Cash could go to the potty. Look how pretty she is. Let's put these in the washing machine. I want to set them all up tonight. Not set them up, but you know what I mean. Wash them and then put them on the bed. I'll also put the new pillows out that I bought. And then, what else? Oh, I do already have some like crisp white pillowcases that I'm gonna rewash and put on the bed as well. Welcome to my laundry room. Look how pretty. These are the king size, they're king sheets, so these are the king pillowcases. So 2 pillowcases, I already put the fitted sheet in there, and then this must be the flat sheet. I think this is so pretty. And then I found these. I just did a big closet clean out, not just my closet, but our like linen closet. And I found these white, they're slightly off-white because this is more of like a true white. Anyway, but these white pillowcases. So I washed them at that time, but they've been sitting out. So I'm gonna rewash them. And I think it's gonna look so pretty. Welcome back. It's about 4 o'clock. We're putting the new sheets on the bed. Love them. I just got them out of the dryer. Like, they're so cute. There's a better look. So I just put the fitted sheet on. It came with 2. Did I already show y'all this? I think I did. 2 king pillowcases, and then, oh, I need to find my other white one. But one of these will be Brian's pillow, and then the other will be decorative. So I think I'm gonna do Brian's in the white and do the decorative ones in this. Yes, okay, let me put it all together. Here we are with just the little side lamps on, though it is daylight outside. I can't decide if I like those 2 little pillows in the front. Here, I'll turn this light back on. They're like an off-white, and they're not quite the same. Like, these are a very crisp white. I have these back here. See the difference? I don't know if I love them. There it is with the regular light on. I just took those pillows off. I do have a white blanket that goes down here at the end. It's just, I need to wash that one too, so I'm gonna wash it while I'm at it. So I don't know. I don't know if I love, I don't know. Okay, I'm not an interior designer, but I really, really like the new pillows and the new sheets. Good morning, happy Friday. It's about 7:40, if I had to guess. I did micro needling yesterday, so that's why you didn't see me. Also, I haven't tried the fake tan or that like bronzer. I have a hanger in my hand. That bronzer lotion. We will try it together for the first time. I cannot promise it will be in this video, but the first time I try it will be with you. But here's my face. Next day, I just did the little skincare packet that they give you, that they allow you to do. And I'm getting dressed. Brian's getting dressed. We're gonna head out and do some fun things. So I figured I would take you with me. I feel like we're looking pretty good. Let's take a moment for Brian's outfit. Polo, khakis, sneaks, dog. How do you feel about the sheets?
I love the sheets.
You love the pattern.
I like the pattern. I love the
feel.
I love the feel, especially pattern.
They kind of feel like hotel sheets.
Yeah, they're soft,
but not too soft.
Yeah,
yeah,
crispy but soft.
Yeah,
and they also, I mean, I like the feel of them because it's dark. I don't care what they look like.
But they're cute.
Yeah.
We made a TikTok recipe last night. I'll share it down below because I thought it was really good. But I waited to ask Brian in this moment to see what he thought. What did you think about last night's dinner?
It was good.
Out of 10, 10 being the best.
It's probably a 7.5. Maybe 8.
I gave it a 10. It was like a hamburger helper, like protein pasta hamburger helper. I'll link it down below for you. Okay, let's go. We've made it to Academy. Surprise, surprise, though. This is a different one in town. Brian said he wants to see if they have some golf shoes for me. We're doing a little staycation coming up. 4th of July weekend, staycation. So one of the days we're gonna go golfing. And Brian thinks I need proper golfing shoes.
Yes.
Instead of just sneaks.
So you don't.
So I don't slide. So let's go see what we can find. They only have men's golf shoes. They don't have women's golf shoes. So we're out of luck. However, I do need a new glove. Mine, when we were at Topgolf, like disintegrated. Maybe because I didn't use it for a while.
Yeah, it was just they'll
just do that if you don't use it for a while. So we'll get us a new little glove, maybe a hat. I like this black one with the black on black. Here's my outfit for the day in this tiny mirror. This one's a universal fit, one size.
Put your ring.
Oh, is it real small? Yeah, but let's just see.
This is for children.
Oh, is it? Or does it say women's?
This says ladies.
Come on.
Oh,
that's my
maybe
first
not.
finger.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, we got Lady Gaga
Oh,
belted.
maybe not. Okay, it just looks. Huh.
It is kind of, well, no, it fits how it's supposed to. I want purple because it matches my bag.
It does.
This actually fits.
Okay.
Fine.
Wow,
Slay.
That's wild.
And they do have pink too, but I think my bag is purple.
It's like a mauve kind of color.
It's a little snug. But I think you're meant.
Yeah, they're not supposed to be loose.
Yeah. I'll put this back on before I forget.
Wait a minute.
Oh, you have another one? Okay. We'll
This
put on
one's just.
hand.
This one's just. Like, but
Pink.
it's got. It's got some pinkish to it.
Sorry. Oh, I don't like this one already. Oh, it's my thumb. Oh, that one's. What size is that?
That's like.
That's an extra small. What size is it?
No, but it doesn't have. See how this one has more mesh to it?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's more
Okay.
like forgiving, I guess you could say.
More stretchy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Surprise, surprise. We're at the old Edwin Watts. We're gonna see if they've got some golf shoes here. I'm gonna get shoes. I want the ones that look like. No, are you sure these are ladies?
These are ladies.
Okay. Brian said I can't get these. Absolutely not. These are a no-go. And I got these.
These are cute. They got.
They're okay. They're okay. Y'all are not gonna believe the shoes I found. But how do we feel about this hat? It's kind of cute. It's golf clubs all over it. And it's got a little hole in the back for my hair. This is the men's hats. But I didn't see any of the women's hats that I loved. Part of me wants a bucket hat. I wish they were that print as that hat that I just showed you. Or at least white. I wonder if I can get one online because a bucket hat would be super cute. This is more my speed. I just told Brian these little balls pop out. But yet here we are in the real golf store buying me stuff. I just want to drive the cart. But I can do that, right? You're gonna let me drive. I know you are. I know you are.
You're talking.
I kind of like this. I don't really have anywhere to put my hair, but I could go for this. We are home now. Look at these shoes in the sale section. 69 bucks. Are these not perfect? Perfect Taren shoes. They do have a slight grip, I guess. That's what we're looking for. So we got the shoes, and then I did pick out these socks. I like the slight taller ankle. And then I grabbed this hat from Dick's, which you just saw last, I think. I also got a couple of these Alani snacks. I like these little gummies. They're pretty good. So that's my haul.
Right?
Okay.
I was gonna take this off, clean it real good, take it apart, paint the this.
Yeah, we need to just clean that
Paint
one real good.
Take this all apart. Paint this gold and white.
Love it.
Okay.
I love that.
Yeah. So yeah, and that'll be a big one because look, the rest of them are the size. That'll be a big one.
Yeah.
So we can put like some sandwiches and stuff on this one.
Okay. I don't know what the food is yet. Is it a surprise or are you going to tell me?
I haven't made up my mind yet.
I'm eating a Publix sandwich.
Oh, it's gonna be like tea party food, like little sandwiches, chicken salad sandwiches.
What are you going to wear? You got to be floral with me.
Yeah, no.
It's a swim party, right?
I'll probably wear like khaki shorts and maybe a pink, polo Oxford shirt.
Because we're going to take a lot of pictures.
Yeah.
Is something here at the door?
Is that the cake you want?
Yo, he's been talking about I can't check the mail for the next week because birthday presents he bought me are coming in, and somebody just knocked at the door. What is that?
It's nothing.
No idea what it is. I didn't see the box. I will not watch that video back and zoom in. I'm getting excited though. Hello, good morning. Happy Saturday. It's probably right at 8 a.m. I just made my coffee. I'm going to sit down and do some computer work. Let's end this video. Last night, what did we do? Oh, sometimes we call it impromptu date night where we just like make snacky foods and pick a movie. Last night we watched Oppenheimer, 3 hours long. I couldn't focus on it. So I ended up playing on my phone for like the last 2 hours of it. Brian watched the whole thing, and that was it. That's what we did last night. So I'm going to end this so that you can watch it. I hope that you enjoyed it. I just did hold on, let me get in the sunlight. Is that better? Kind of. I just did my little bit of skincare that I'm allowed to do after microneedling. My face feels good. I feel like it's gonna look good. Brian's actually off next week. We're gonna do a bit of a staycation. It's 4th of July weekend. That's when we were supposed to go to Vegas, but we can't go. I do still have Garth Brooks tickets. If you're interested, then let me know. I'm literally just trying to get rid of them at this point. So please let me know. But I did make a little schedule, like a light schedule itinerary of things for us to do in town. So that should be fun. I will vlog it, by the way. I will vlog it. So anyway, that's it. Enough rambling. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.